Hello, everybody. Nice to see you here. Well, my name is Gladys. I'm from Brazil, and I'm here with my friends to invite you to our workshop in the New Directions LATAM now at the end of May in Brazil. So our workshop is called Assessing Reading with Constructed Response Items from Task Design to Correction, right? So I'd like you to meet my friends Naive and Liberato.
Thank you, Gladys. My name is Nayibe Rosado, and I am from Colombia. We are all part of the Latin American Association of Language Testing and Assessment, LALTA.
Hello, I'm Liberato Silva dos Santos from Brazil, and it's a pleasure to invite you to our workshop. We'll be offering a 3-hour workshop in two parts. In the first part, we'll be discussing how to assess reading, and we'll also be discussing how to develop and design constructed response items to assess reading. In the second part of our workshop, it will be hands-on, and you have the opportunity to develop constructed response items to assess reading skills of your learners. You should leave our workshop with a very good sense of what to assess when you assess reading and how to build and develop constructed response items to assess reading of your learners.
Great. So we all hope to see you there. Come and join us in our workshop. See you then. Bye bye.
Bye.